Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to move away from those cheesy dishes we've been doing lately. We're going to be making a Middle Eastern spiced chicken dish. Now this is a great meal idea. It's quick, it's easy, and to be honest, you're going to love the flavours. So let's crack on.
Now let's make the dressing, which we'll use later.
So I hope you enjoyed that. Middle Eastern chicken is a really good dish to make. It's quick, it's easy, full of flavours, it's got a zesty taste, and the spices are probably something different to usual. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe also to look out for more videos coming soon.